Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today I bring you guys, oh my gosh, I hit the mother load at the 99-cent store, not Dollar Tree, the 99-cent store. I don't know if these are available like worldwide, but we have one here in Texas. I had never been into it. I went into it yesterday and oh my gosh, they had so much makeup. So this is going to be part one with a haul, or I'm going to show you guys what I got, and then part two we're going to try out all the makeup together. So buckle up, grab your cafecito, and let's jump right into it. So these are the bags. It looks like a lot, but I honestly did not spend that much. I spent less than $50, and I don't know if this is like a makeup haul or a lash haul because I got so many lashes. Like, look at that receipt. $43.62 to be exact is what I spent. So let's get into it. Oh my gosh, you guys, why didn't you tell me the 99-cent store carried makeup? Like, I had passed by through that store so many times, oblivious that they sold anything like makeup related, because all they announce or showcases like produce or fruit or more like household items, but they didn't show like makeup, which makes sense. Anyways, okay, let's get into it, you guys. I think I'm going to show you guys all the lashes that I got at the end, but I randomly got this Pond's Purify and Refresh Makeup Remover facial wipes. These are individually sealed for $4.99, and it comes with 25 of them. I really like to have makeup wipes on me or like handy, especially when I'm doing makeup tutorials, because I constantly swatch products on the back of my hand, or whenever I clean up the crease, or if I mess up whatever, I need these. I know that they're not the best for the environment, trust me, I know, so I try to be a little conscious when I can. But I really like the brand Pond's because it really reminds me of like home and like Mexico, and just, I don't know, it reminds me of my mom, honestly. So I bought those $4.99. This is random, but I'm going to show it to you guys because this is what adulting is. If you guys are Hispanic, or if you just know of the brand Sote, which is a soap brand, they apparently have this. This is the Sote liquid laundry soap in pink. So this brand actually is amazing, okay? Amazing for whitening your clothes. This is the only thing I use for my white clothes, and my clothes is crispy white. This is also a great product for your makeup brushes and your makeup sponges. This is the only thing I use. So when I saw this, I was like, I need to grab this ASAP, and it really caught my attention that it said for all machines HE, which is high efficiency. That is what mine is. So random, but I wanted to share that with you guys. I definitely got more lashes than anything, but I also got a few makeup brushes and then some other like face products. I really wanted to try and get like a full face so I can do a full face of 99-cent makeup, but I didn't quite get there, and that's okay. I saw this makeup sponge. It's in the hourglass shape, and it was only $1.30. So I believe most of these products are $1.30 if I am correct. I got this sponge. I have no idea how it's going to work, if it's going to be super latexy, is it going to be super soft. But I grabbed it as soon as I saw it because it was the last one. They had a bunch of LA Colors. They had another brand, but again, I wanted to do a full face, so I tried to limit myself on what I bought. So I got this LA Colors nude eyeshadow in the shade Feeling Nude, and it is really pretty. It has very basic like nude colors. It has a nice transitional shade, and then it has some shimmer shades to add on to the lid. So I was like, perfect. This is a face highlighter again from Ioni. This is called Glow. They had a few different ones, but they all seemed very similar, just different packaging. I'm excited to try that, even though it does look a little light, but that's okay. I'm going to show you guys all the lashes towards the end, so I'm going to save those. Okay, I guess I only got one. They had another one. I swear I grabbed it. Okay, so I grabbed the blush brush from Ioni. Again, these are products that I have never seen at the dollar store, and this one looks pretty good. Like the quality looks nice. They also had a highlighter brush, which I thought I grabbed, but maybe Lincoln like took it out of my cart because I could have sworn I had it in there. I also grabbed an eyelash curler. I do have one that I really love, but I want to keep one downstairs in my bathroom because I recently took some makeup, so I can do like my quick everyday makeup downstairs in my bathroom, and I need an eyelash curler. So we'll see if this one is any good because I am a little bit picky with my lash curlers. I also got this blush. This is the Ioni Rosy blush. It looked a little peachy pink. Let's open her up. I think I'm gonna open these up with you guys so I can show you swatches. That is so me. That is so me. Oh my goodness, I am living for this. Okay, so got that, and then I found this Pearl World lip and cheek stick. A multi-purpose stick for cheeks and lips, lightweight buildable formula, long lasting color, which looks like this. I have no idea what this brand is, but let's open her up and swatch her. Ooh, I think that's gonna be a no for me. It's very, very light. I doubt this is even going to show up on my skin. I also got some lash glue from Ioni as well. This is vegan, fast drying, gentle, latex free, and long lasting. I love having different lash glues because I'm always running out. So I'm not gonna open this one because obviously lash glue is lash glue. Got some tweezers. These are so pretty. Ooh, okay. These actually grasp the hairs, like the tiny little pelitos. Really nice. And they have, I love that right here, the name, it's almost like a cushion. So anytime you are plucking your brows, like you can feel the cushion. I don't know, it's nice. Let's see, let's move on to this Fat Lips Chubby Stick. This is also from the brand Ioni. Again, the packaging just really does it for me. So this is in the shade Nude Brown. It's called Fat Lip Chubby Stick. Okay, that's actually really pretty. Oh my gosh, it is so matte. What? Look at that, you guys. That is so pretty. Do you guys see that? It's a very pretty, like, rosy color. Like, it almost matches what I have going on. This would look really pretty as a lip liner with a mauve lipstick in the center. That is such a fall vibe. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, super excited already. This is a lip scrub, so lip spa scrub. I think this was part of their Dia de los Muertos, Day of the Dead collection. This is in honey. Say goodbye to dry, dull lips forever. Easily keep your lips hydrated and bright while repairing your healthy, plump lips. I also got a lip gloss. They didn't have very many lip products, so I will probably pair these together. And then I got this liquid felt tip eyeliner, again from Ioni. This is the brand that they had the most of. Oh, that's not bad. Okay, so it's definitely a hard felt tip liner. As you can see, let's do a little swatch. Color is very pigmented. If it dries down to a matte, that's going to be super cool. So far, it's not bleeding. It's kind of just staying in place, and it's really, really dark. The last thing besides lashes are these oil absorbing blotting repair or paper, sorry. It instantly removes excess oil and won't smudge makeup. I am a greasy girl, and I'm always carrying some sort of blotting sheets with me, so that is what they look like. I'm not too oily right now because I just finished doing my makeup not that long ago, but I mean, it definitely didn't move my makeup around, and if you can see that, it did absorb a little bit of oil. Are these my favorite? No. Would I repurchase them? Probably not. I really like the rice papers, but these, if you're in a pinch and you have nothing else, I think these are great. Okay, let's get into my favorite part, which are the lashes. I did get quite a few. These are the Forever Diamonds Fluffy Fishnet Cluster Faux Mink Lashes. Again, the packaging, oh my gosh, like look at how beautiful these are. And then these are called the Forever Love Bouquet Fluffy Long Crisscross, and these are also 3D faux mink. Look at how pretty these are. If you guys can see and pay close attention, it has a little bit of a crisscross lash, and it has some like lashes that are a little bit like spiky and fluffy. These are a little bit heavier. These are called the Fluttery Heart Fluffy Natural Long Faux Mink Lashes. These are very fluffy, very long, so they're definitely a little bit more dramatic, but I think these go perfect for those very bold looks. And then I wanted to get something a little bit more natural, a little bit more wispy, a little bit more tamed down, which is not really my taste or my style, but there are certain looks that call for a wispier lash. So these are the Strawberry Cake Wispy Natural Curl Lashes, and these are also faux mink. And look at that packaging. They are so cute. They're definitely a little bit shorter. And then I got these hybrid cat eye medium from Apple Delight, or their Apple Delight collection. I'm not sure, they just called them all differently, but I really wanted something that will give you that really pretty cat eye effect, and these are definitely it. I really like them, but now that I'm seeing them, I'm like, oh, I don't know if I'll like them, but I might end up loving them. I really like them because of the curl that they have. So these are curl medium clusters, and this is also a faux mink lash. Honestly, my favorite thing from OhMe is not only that they are affordable, but the lash band is actually super comfortable. And then I believe I got 2 of these, yeah, because I really, really like these. So this is the other lash that I got, which it's this one. So this is the bridal suit collection, I guess. Look at how pretty these are, you guys. I don't know, there's something about lashes that just makes my heart so happy. So that is everything, you guys. That is everything that I bought from the 99-cent store. This is such a good makeup haul. Like, for me, lashes just, they make me so happy. So stay tuned for part 2 of me testing out everything. Even though I didn't really get a lot of base products, I think we still got some good makeup. Let me know if you guys want to see that video, and I will post it soon. Other than that, thank you so much for being here. I love you all. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!